This is a simple demonstration to show the presence of atmospheric pressure all around us. This is a bottle filled with water with holes at the bottom of the bottle. Now let us see the action of atmospheric pressure on the water. As we know, the liquid exerts pressure on the wall of the container, but according to that phenomenon, water should come out, but it is not flowing out now. But as soon as I open the cap, you can see there is a shower. Now, as soon as I close it, as soon as I put the cap on the bottle, water stops flowing out.